Wow, it has been a hot minuto. But hey, how is everyone doing? If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Carlie Jade. Today, I'm going to be talking about shampoo hacks for healthy hair. So if you want to stick with that, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that post notification bell. So anytime I upload, you can get a notification that I uploaded. You can just get it right there on the phone. If you would like to hear some really great shampoo hacks for healthy hair, then let's get on with the video. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about very important shampoo hacks for healthy hair when it comes to having healthy hair. And I promise you, these are some good tips to follow. The number one thing is to stop washing your hair every day. Don't do it, because your hair has natural oils up here that need to reach to the bottom of your hair. Your hair doesn't grow from the bottom, it grows from the top. So whenever you're stripping them oils from the top and they can't get all the way to your end, then your hair is not getting the nutrients that it needs, because then your ends will start looking dead. Split ends occur and they grow up. And so the more they grow up, the more you'll have to get cut off. You cannot, and I repeat, you cannot repair split ends. The only way to get rid of split ends is chopping them bad boys off. Just a little FYI. So I know a bunch of people that love to take very hot showers, and that is okay, but don't use scalding hot water for your hair, because not only are you putting extra heat on top of your hair, you're also going to add more heat, and then more than likely after that you're gonna blow dry your hair. More than likely after that you're gonna curl your hair. So whenever you shampoo your hair, either use lukewarm. You need to open up your cuticles, right? So when you open up your cuticles, then so whenever you put in on your hair is gonna be able to penetrate into the hair. But after that, I would hit it with some cold water. I actually wash my hair with cold water. I know that sounds crazy. That's what makes your hair really shine, because you're not putting that extra heat on there. You're not scalding your scalp. You're not scalding your hair. Lukewarm water I will do sometimes to open up my cuticles, really penetrate what's going into my hair, especially when I'm doing mask on my hair, just so it can really get into the ends and what needs to be renourished. That's what I highly suggest, either lukewarm or cold water. Okay, on to tip number 2. So when you are shampooing your hair, how harsh or gentle are you washing your hair? Now, I know a bunch of people like to go in there and scrub and scrub and scrub and scrub. When you do this, you're literally, I don't want to say breaking your hair, but it's pretty much like roughing up your hair to where you're gonna lose hair. And then if you keep doing this, you're gonna create tangles. And if you keep doing that, don't use your nails, because whenever you do, you're gonna probably break open your scalp. And if you like to get your hair colored, your scalp is probably gonna burn a little bit. I would probably start being a little bit more gentle on your hair and go in circular motions. Really massage your products into your scalp, so you know that your scalp is getting nice and clean. So I guess this can go into tip number 3 of how often you should wash your hair, or that was kind of in tip number 1. We're just going to talk about it. So I don't wash my hair every day. I can go at least 4 days, 3 to 4 days without shampooing my hair. That being said, it just depends on what your hair type is, whatever you feel like you think you need to do. But personally, I would not shampoo your hair every day. If you can go every other day, that is great. That's what I started out doing. I also have an oily scalp. My hair gets super oily very quickly, and what else can cause that is hard water. And if you want to learn about hard water, I will have a link down below to where you can learn about how hard water can be harsh to your hair. So please go check that out. That is some good information that you need to learn about. Like I was saying, how often should you wash your hair? Like I said, it really depends on your hair type, what you're comfortable with. My suggestion is try to go at least every other day, every 2 days. How many times should you wash your hair? If you go that long, shampoo it twice. The first time it's not gonna lather up very well because you're just trying to get it on your hair, trying to get that first layer of, I don't want to say dinginess, but you know what I mean. Just try to get that first situation going, and then when you go into the second one, it will lather up a whole lot more and get even more, or anything that is built up on your scalp, such as dry shampoo or anything like that, product buildup. This is a good one. Do suds really matter when it comes to shampoo in your hair? Not really, because a lot of us have been put in the mind that suds are the way to know that your hair is good, lathered, good to go, good as shampooed. But let me tell you, a lot of those are replacements to make it feel like your hair is being clean, but it's not. It's a bunch of added silicones and added fragrances. They're gonna make it feel that way, but in reality it's not. It's actually building more onto your hair, causing waxy buildup, and that's what can also cause your hair to get even more oilier. So really watch what you're putting onto your hair too. So with that being said, are suds really, you know, telling you that your hair is clean? Not exactly. Not exactly. Another question I get asked a lot, and this is going to be like tip number 5, 6, 7, 8. Another thing that people ask me all the time, or they say that they run out of shampoo very quickly and they don't wash their hair every day. And I'm like, okay, well, how many times do you shampoo your hair? They're like, twice. How much shampoo are you using? Well, I would suggest you only using like a quarter size both times if you're shampooing your hair twice. Because another question I get asked is, when you're shampooing your hair, actually I just had people look at me crazy because of this. When shampooing your hair, you do not have to shampoo your ends. And the reason why I say that is because you only need to shampoo your scalp. That's where everything is building up, right there. You're putting all your products right here. You're touching your hair right here. Putting products in right here, you're putting everything right up to the scalp. Yeah, believe it or not, you're only supposed to shampoo your scalp, not your ends. If you're not washing your hair every day and you're using a pea-size amount or a quarter-size amount, you shouldn't be running out of shampoo that quickly. Another thing that I notice is when people shampoo hair, they tend to rub their hair. Please don't do that. And the reason why I say that is when you get out of the shower, your hair is wet. It's at its most brittle, okay? So when you're rubbing your hair like this, or you're using a towel and you're rubbing your hair like this, you are breaking it. Please don't do that. You are breaking your hair. Yes, do not rub your ends. Please don't rub your ends. Okay, so this one, I just wanted to throw it out there because I know some people love conditioner. I love conditioner. It makes my hair feel amazing. How long should you leave conditioner on? It's your preference. I like to leave mine on, like I'll get in the shower, I'll shampoo my hair, and then I'll put conditioner on my ends. And while I, you know, shave, body wash, done with that, then that's when I will rinse out my conditioner, which is about, you know, 5 minutes max. You know, no biggie, unless I'm staying in there really doing the full thing. But yes, conditioner is just on your preference. And if you would like to know any of the like conditioners or deep conditioners, leave a comment down below on if you want me to do a video on that or not. Now that we've kind of covered about all the shampoo situations, another good like key thing after shampooing hair is following up with a hair care routine. If you have curly hair products. If you want volume hair products. If you want sleek looking hair products. That is what's going to be your main factor after shampooing your hair. It's not just, you know, shampooing your hair, good to go. If you want your hair to look a certain way, you're gonna need the products to do it, hairspray to do it, all that good jazz. So that's what is another key factor too. My last thing is, I do get asked a lot, what kind of shampoo should I be using? Shampoo wise, it's, you know, whatever you want. If you want more volume, if you want more hydration, if you want color protectant, they're all out there. And if you want to see my favorites, let me know. But yes, that is my shampoo hacks for you. I hope that these help you. And if there's anything that you think you might want to add on, put it in the comments below. I love hearing other people's thoughts, other tips, because, you know, you can always add to it, you know? But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell down there so you can get my notifications every time I upload. But that is all my shampoo hacks that I have for you to get luscious looking hair. My name is Carlie Jade, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!